Hello everyone, this is 7th grade math, and today we're going to be learning how to write an equivalent ratio. Okay, so this problem says find the number that makes the ratio equivalent to 1 to 9. So the easiest way to solve this problem is to basically divide the first number by the second number of both ratios. 9 of the first number of both ratios, yes. 9 divided by 1 equals to 9. Now we just need to find what divided by a 9 from here equals to 9, because they both have to equal the same thing when you divide them. Now we can write this as an equation here. We can say, we're just going to say m for missing ratio. So m, I'll just use a different color. M divided by 9 should equal to 9. So once we have this equation written down, we can start to solve this. Now the easiest way to solve this would bring the 9 over to this side. How we can do that is we can write m equals to 9 times 9. So now all we have to do is figure out what 9 times 9 is. If you know your multiplications table and have memorized it, you would know that equals to 81. You can also do it other ways to find the answer. This is the most easiest way in my opinion and the way that I'm the most comfortable with, but there are other ways such as writing it as a fraction or maybe even doing a little bit different in the ratio form, and either way it should be the same thing. Now let's check our answer and write 81. Correct. Now we're going to solve one more problem. Find the number that makes the ratio equivalent to 3 to 9. Now we're going to do it a little different way, and we're going to actually go the cross multiplying way. Now the cross multiplying way is basically the same thing, and if you have been watching my past videos, especially the one about how to basically identify equivalent ratios, you would know what cross multiplying is. Now, how we do this here is basically we write the two ratios. In my way is to write the two ratios like this, since we're trying to find the second number of the second ratio. This is supposed to be a question mark, by the way. I just messed it up a little. Now, how we can do is we can treat the ratios as fractions, and we can do 9 times 9, which would equal to 81. Now, all we have to do is find out what 81 divided by 3 is, because we need to find out 3 times the question mark. And the question mark would be our answer. I just put it as a question mark, but you can use any different variable as well. Now I wrote it as 81 divided by 3 because this is the easiest way to actually solve the equation. Now 81 times 3 is not really easy to solve with your brain, but off the top of my brain, I remember that it is 27. You can also just do your multiplication, or if a calculator is allowed in your class, you can also use that. So let's check our answer now as 27. Correct. So this is the end of the video. Hope you all enjoyed and hope this helped you understand how to write an equivalent ratio. If you guys have any other suggestions on videos I should do or topics that I should cover, please comment them down below. Please subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed, and see you next time. Have a great day.